Oh my piggies. Is that 25 golden mighty eagles?
Time for cake at stake. Time for cake at stake. Welcome, you six, to Cake at Stake. Whoever gets the most percentage will leave Biefska. Today's cake is pizza.
What would be doing my deep fry?
Don't ever.
Maybe not.
The first people safe is Red Rocket, with 6%, so is Pumpkin Crate with 12%, and Gold Pig with Egg, both with 13 and 19% respectively. Now it's down to form of the show BFAPB King Pig and Blue Rocket.
Oh my firework, I can't get out.
And the last person pizza is King Pig with 68%, so this means Blue Rocket is eliminated with the record of 82%.
Grr, how dare you?
The fourth merge contest is Drink most sodas. There are actually sodas in Bad Piggies. There are 29 sodas for each contestant. Whichever needs the most sodas is safe. Go.
After the contest drinks the most sodas.
Alright, the most drinkable sodas goes to King Pig. So the rest of you will be up for elimination. Voters, it's your chance to eliminate a contestant at the community tab. See you in Biefska 29.
是这样，我有办法对付。